everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. Samantha March and Ofra have a collab together. Super exciting. I'm so happy for her. I was actually talking on my live about it 5 minutes ago about how I love supporting YouTubers who get these collabs that don't have millions and bajillions followers, people that are humble and kind and nice and who worked hard, and that's 100% her. So I'm super happy for her because there's no one more deserving for her. I've been following her for a while, and when I tell you she puts work in, that girl puts work in. She is a hustler. She don't stop. So what's really cool is that she is an author. She writes books. So the way the package is, it's like a little storybook. I thought that was cute. And then when you open it up, it tells you about her, a note that she wrote herself. And then you have, dun, 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 dun. So I will say I have all of her products on my face right now. The first one is called Start Inspired, which is really cute. It's the name of her podcast. Swatching it on my hands, you guys can see right here how pretty they are, how highlighted they are, and they're really silky smooth. I love them. I actually used a mix of them like right in here through my temple area, and then I put those colors here down my nose and like around here, and then I kind of just blended some in with my bronzer up top. Really. Then next up we have Chic Lit, and it is the blush duo. It's so pretty. I'm going to swatch these guys for you. Here you can see the pretty blush, and this is like almost like a darker rosy gold type of color. I actually have them on my cheeks right here in the apples of my cheeks. I love blush, especially if you have a thinner face. It kind of just fills it out a little bit more here. That way you don't look really sucked in, especially if you contour. I feel like the blush is very pretty. It's subtle, and what I like about it too is that if you have darker skin, you can throw on a little bit more and it'll still pop. So I think this is like a really good duo for the winter time when I'm really pale, like right now, and then in the summertime when I'm a little bit more Oliver. I have a little bit more of an olive complexion, so I really like it. We have River, and this is the bronzer duo. So checking it out, this side has a little highlight to it where this one is a little bit more matte. Have that bronzer duo kind of right in here just to give myself a little bit more cheekbones, look a little bit more, you know what I'm saying. And then I also have it up around here. I focused the matte throughout here, and then I kind of just sweeped on a little of the shimmery side, just a little bit, like a little dusting. Then for the lipstick, this one is called Story. I have this on my lips right now. I love it. I love Ofra lipsticks. I love the red one. It's called Atlantic City. I've talked about it before. Very comfortable wear. It doesn't get dry to wear. You know how some matte lipsticks can get like those little crusties, or like they build up and get like the little balls, and then it looks like you have old food crumbs in your mouth. I hate that. I know if you haven't had that, you've lucked out. But if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about, and you know how annoying it is. It's really pretty. It has like that tan brown color, but like I said, with that darker rose mauve color. I really like it, and I'm into it. And I'm loving the fact that it hasn't gotten on my big teeth yet. Next up we have the gloss. It's called Millie, and I actually don't have the gloss on, so I'm gonna put it on. Ooh, that's sparkly. Oh yeah, pretty. Oh, I really like it. Hold on. Ooh, cute. I like that. And you guys know I'm a gloss girl. I love gloss. And I know a lot of people are either team gloss, team not gloss. I love gloss. I don't care what anyone says. I think it's really pretty. And I like that it did kind of lighten the lipstick a little bit. So it gave it like that ombre appeal. So yeah, that's a collection. I really like it. I think she made it beautiful, and I think the colors and everything she picked is going to look really great on everyone, which I love. Why is my dog barking? I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you check her out. She's amazing. I'll link her below. I'll link the products to all this below, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I love you, and I'll see you soon.